Hello everyone, welcome back to Balibaug. We are here with another construction video update for you because we believe you should not just buy a villa, you should watch it come to life. So let's dive in and have a look at the construction activity happening at Balibaug.
Villa 1 is fully completed, so that's officially our first finished home at site. Villa 2 to 10 are in their final stage now. The teams are doing the finishing work such as electrical, plumbing, CP sanitary installation, fittings, furniture, and all other last minute detailing that actually makes your villa feel complete. For Villa 11 to 20, we have crossed the heavier stages such as RCC and block work. These are 100% complete. Right now, we are in the plastering stage. The internal as well as external plaster, electrical work, plumbing work, waterproofing and tiling are going on in parallel. So, these units are going to look different every week. On the amenities side, the restaurant building is almost through its RCC stage and brickwork has already commenced. Recreacy is also moving well. RCC work is almost 90% complete and we have completed the casting of 4th slab in this building. Soon we will be completing the casting for the final roof slab of Recreacy. Meanwhile, the blockwork and plaster has already started on the floors below. And a big one, site infrastructure development has already started in full swing now. The development of internal roads, lighting pockets, pathways and common area development has already started and will start taking shape and will be completed in the months to come.
We still have a few luxury suites available at Balibaug. Own yours before they are all gone and be a part of Balibaug's exclusive Bali-inspired lifestyle. So that's it for this month. Next month is going to look very amazing. So stick around for more such video updates for Project Balibaug.